Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to insert toners in a Kyocera TASKalfa A307i. So Norma, she's going to do that for you. I don't know if she's going to be ready to talk, but I won't show her face because she didn't tell me to do so. So this is what we do. Thank you. Okay, we took out the toner from its packaging. So yeah, you can do whatever. Okay.
Do you expect me to talk?
You can talk
I'm
if you want.
very shy.
Okay. She took it out.
Here's my toner.
Yeah, the toner she's putting in is a cyan.
Because I already put in black and magenta.
Okay. Black and magenta is in. Okay.
The last one?
The yellow. Done.
Done.
So you
close the door.
You close the door. So we're gonna do a test copy. So the machine should read the can the radio go off a bit?
Okay.
Guys, we're sorry about the radio. So yeah, good. We switch off the machine. So what we got to do now is to. Can you make a copy? Can we make a copy like it?
I think so.
Okay. She's gonna make a copy.
Last time it was working.
Okay.
You need to select the paper.
Yes. Can be A4. Okay.
We're busy with recording. We are disturbing us. I'm busy.
And she puts in the paper up.
Yeah.
Then say copy. Yes.
It's working.
It's working.
Selected black and white.
Yeah, but let's do color.
Let's do color one. And then I select full color. Ta-da!
Wow, that is 100% fine, guys. So yeah, that's it. But we're gonna remain to show you some couple of things here. So we connected the machine here, but we're just gonna have to do what? To repeat what you said. It has something here. You just do it like this. You can see all those are toners. Then you close it after putting in the machine. So we go to our screen. We look for terminal if you're on Linux, but if you're on Windows, you look for CMD. CMD, then command prompt, then you say IP config. That will give you the IP ranges on the router which are being used here. So we have a cable of which we did connect here. You can see the network cable. So we're gonna have to set up here this Kyocera. So we'll see how to do that. Yeah, but for now, what we wanted you to see is to see how to insert toners in this machine. So they come from a box like this. We also sell them. If you need them, you can give us a call. So these two. How many did you buy? She bought 3. Black, yellow, cyan. You have the magenta. You had the magenta. Okay, she had magenta. So yeah, that's it. So if we can be with us, it's fine, but I think that could be our end of the video. But I'm gonna do some couple of things here for us. Device information, network identifier. You can see this is the IP address we have here, of which is you cannot set up the machine. The machine will never print If you use that IP, the right one should be like this. So it was set when it was using an old what? See, this is the machine name. This should be set. IPv4. I wonder why it doesn't give me any chance to edit it. Okay. MAC address, serial number, whatever. Okay. That is fine. Network, system network, let's see. Login name, it wants a password, it wants a username. I'm gonna check on Google to see if we can get a username and password. User name and password for task. Maybe what? TASKalfa. Model number 307. CI. Admin and password should be Kyocera. Okay, let's try that. Keyboard. We need I wonder how can I get caps lock. Okay, yeah. Admin. So okay, password is Kyocera, of which we're going to make it to be big letters. Okay. Like small letter, then you say Kyocera. Y O Cera. Okay, so okay. Try to log in. Said incorrect password. So I'm gonna try to find a password. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.